Hello everyone, welcome to the continuation of our web accessibility course. We'll continue from where we left off from the voice typing. So now we are on screen readers. Okay. So with screen readers, they help us to actually do the opposite of voice typing. So voice typing is to convert voice or speech to text. So screen readers is rather going to convert text to speech. Okay. So it's going to read to you as the name suggests. Okay. So we would have to go to the screen reader here. So you can go to Chrome as a web store, okay, and then you search for screen reader. Okay, so this is our Vox is a Vox extension provided by Google. Okay, so screen reader provided by Google. I already have it installed, which is why I have the remove option here or button here. I think you would have installed I forgot the text that is supposed to be here. But once you click on it, it will be installed on your web page, and then you can use it in your documents. So you would find it in your extensions here. Okay. Since I've put it off, this is why it's not seen here. But when I go to manage extensions, I have the option to put it on. So it's somewhere here. Okay.
Chrome Vox spoken feed.
So it's here, and
Website. Google search.
okay, so you can
Tab.
see what it's doing when I click
A
here.
website, also written as website, is a collection of web pages and related content that is identified by a common domain main. People also ask. Heading 3. Exited main. Website. Complementary. People also ask about this result. What are the three types of websites? How can I create new
Okay, so
website?
there's how the screen reader
What is website
works,
and
the
its
Google screen
uses?
reader works.
Extensions.
So you can
Tab.
put it off if you think you don't want it to do some things. Okay, we can put it on.
Chrome Vox
Let
spoken
me see
feedback.
something at the
Manage
extension.
extensions. Window extensions tab.
Manage.
Alert dialog.
I can click on the
Alert.
ellipse here and then click
Alert.
on the options.
Window tab. Chrome
Okay, so
Vox
in the options,
options.
there are lots of
Chrome Vox options.
menus and settings
Heading
that you
1.
can do here. Okay, so if you have time, you can go through them and then choose what works best for you. I think you can also change
Change
the
the current
language.
voice by
Sorry, the
selecting an
voice
option from the list
personal.
below. Microsoft David, English, United States.
Let me see if I have
Combo
a
box 20
female
of
voice. So
22.
let's use a female
Google
voice.
UK English female 10 of 22.
Okay, so let's go to
Website. Google search. Extensions tab. Website. Google search.
let me see how she's going to pronounce or speak this.
Tab. A website, also written as website.
Okay.
A collection of web pages and related content. Screen reader. Untitled document.
How we
Google
can do
Docs.
this. So when I click here,
Tab.
Document content.
Text box.
K.
Selected. K star.
Unselected. Menu
Yes.
has pop-up.
Okay, so let's say I want to add a comment.
Entered dialog.
Okay.
Hello, just a comment auto-completion list collapsed.
Comment created.
Okay.
Document content.
Text box. Document region. I'll leave it here okay so you can see it's doing the typing for us.
Okay, so
Comment
this is what the
start
screen reader is
and
doing.
Comment end.
And then
I can stop
it's
by
very
just
useful.
clicking on
So if
T.
you have time or you think it's a good tool to use, you
Selected.
can just go, as I showed earlier, the screen reader provided by Google. As you see here, there are other options. There's text to speech. There's another screen reader provided here. Okay, so you can go through the list and then which one works best for you, you select them. Okay, so that said, thank you guys, and then do enjoy your day. Thank you.